Hello, come on, let's hop inside. Woo! Hello, back again with another Sheila Show Me. Today I am in a Rimor Evo 69 Plus. It is a second hand, but it is also a 2022, so very low mileage. Just going to double check there, there's just over 3,500 miles, so nice low miles for a new vehicle, kind of new vehicle. Starting in the cab, you do have an automatic on a Ford engine here. You will see your radio system, your aircon system, your different plug-in points there as well. And that is a multifunctioning steering wheel. And then just above, you have your reverse camera there as well. This is a 4-berth 4-belt. So your third and fourth belt are just there behind. So leading to your kitchen, you will see this door behind me. We'll get to that, don't worry. You have your combined oven grill just up here. That is also where your control panel and heating control panel is as well. And then you have your freezer box inside your fridge and a nice fridge drawer, just below. Moving over to your main kitchen area, you do have your nice large sink there and your 3 gas hob as well. So just before we leave the living and kitchen area, I want to show you your first and second berth, and it is a electric drop down double bed above me here, and that just glides down with ease. You don't have to stress about lifting anything heavy, pulling anything down. You do see there is wee notches here, and that's for your ladder. And then of course you do have a safety net that clips up in place, so if you had young kids in there, they'd be perfectly safe, perfectly fine. That just clips right up. And then whenever you're done, lovely. Oh! Onto the main bedroom. This is your large island bed. You do have a lovely TV. I was just working. Lovely storage units in here. You will see your TV aerials just based there as well, and then you do have these lovely little reading lamps here as well. A nice on-off switch. All the switches are these nice touch ones. I'll show you them when we head over to the bathroom. Before we leave here, I just want to show you this bed. It folds up, clicks in place, and then you can access different storage units there. Now, as I said, it does click in place, so whenever you're done, back down again. So separate shower and toilet, this being your toilet and washroom. So you have a lovely sink there, and then your toilet just below. Nice open space. You can keep it open because you do have that privacy door, or when you're using it you can close that over as well. And then behind me is your lovely modern shower. Look at that nice square shower head. And it's actually magnetic. So that's the magnet. If you're short like me, you can put it down here. If you're tall, like my father, you put it up there. Now, just down here are these little touch buttons I was telling you about. This is the one for the shower. And it's just a nice wee feature, you know, no switch, just tap. So that was a second-hand Rimor Evo 69 Plus. As I mentioned, it is a 2022, so second-hand, but also a brand new year. So if you'd like to know more about this vehicle, please let me know. If there's any other vehicles you would like to know about, I can certainly show you. You just contact me directly, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Call me on 028 926 93999, or drop a message below in the comments, speak to the team. If there's any other vehicles you'd love to see, please let me know. I have a really busy day ahead of me, so I'll see you later.